Oh no. At number 1, the Viper, hoping to continue the age of Orton. And he very much can do that by winning his 3rd Royal Rumble match in history. He's there on a mean streak, taking out Ric Flair, taking out his father. Let's see who can be number 2. Wait a minute! We haven't seen him since he debuted on SmackDown in O2 Arena. And entrant number 2, the Young Savage, Ricky Sosa. Sosa, you look at the reaction breaker. There's number 3, Austin Theory, the first member of the Bennett Roundhouse, and number 4, the Time Slicer. Right now, and at number 5, Moose on his way. Here comes number 6 on his way. Oh, a member of the Bully Buster. And now, number 7, always ready. Number 8's on his way. It is Mystico. Mystico has had a great year. Number 9, Sami Zayn, who has been watching Mystico. And wait a minute. Number 10. El Generico, the man who's been costing Mystico all of his matches. And Sami Zayn did say he was going to Sami Zayn's arsenal up and over. And there goes Matt Cardona. And now number 11. A man who's also had a problem with El Generico and Sami Zayn. Pat McAfee, who's been out. 12's on his way. And it is the Revolution is here. The absolute Ricky Starks is number 12 and number 13 on his. What's that flip? There it is, making his Rumble debut. The television champion, all of wrestling. Number 14. Number 14. He was here last year. The Lakers own Luka Doncic. He was here last year.
You are cursed.
What the what? I know about this guy. Number 15. Danhausen. Luka Doncic, if the Lakers lose, you know why. And now, last year's winner, Eddie Kingston, looking to go back to number 17, the Spanish God. Sammy Guevara, a member of the Gatekeep, has not entered the match. Uh-oh. Mayhem. Number 18. The man who took out John Cena with 10 power bombs. The king is a Royal Rumble moment at number 19, a former winner. And now the Gatekeep 20. No! No way! No way! The Gatekeep! Keith Lee! Keith Lee! The Gatekeep crushed his skull with a steel step earlier this year. And he's back battling on the outside, taking out the barricade. And number 21, the Nature Boy is back. No thanks. And number 22, the best in the world, is here. CM Punk, who just got out of a grueling steel cage match. Number 1. Wait a minute, number 23. match at WrestleMania. Orton turned his back on his father. And now Nixon. And number 24. Penis. Number 25. The Cruiserweight Champion. Dirty Dominic Mysterio. He sees coming along, no father, no omen, no, or was it on purpose?
He appears.
And number 26, the NWA World Champion, Joe Hendry. 27, oh no, Drew McIntyre, who wants to make his broken performance by Devontae Devious. On number 28, the Gatekeeper, Chris Jericho. He's just got out of a bloody steel cage match with CM Punk. And now taking it all into the ring on his own time as he gets in 9 on his way in his HBK. Shawn Michaels, we haven't seen him since that main event with Joe Hendry. His way. Oh no. And you know the Undertaker is not in the best of moods after getting screwed out of the Universal Championship on Wednesday from Wardlow as the Reaper. The Undertaker is number 30.